Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to create this beautiful glamorous look. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. I started with Parsley Skin Mist to hydrate my skin. Then I used the Smashbox Photo Finish Water Primer. Next is Smashbox Foundation Primer. I like to massage it on my face to give a smooth base. After that, I use the Huda Beauty foundation. Now blend it well. After it's all smooth, I use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my under eyes, forehead, nose and chin. Next I'm using Smashbox Step by Step Contour Stick to contour my nose, cheeks, forehead and lastly jawline. Then blend everything perfectly. Now I'm using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder for the first time and I'm loving it. I leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. And while that's baking, I'm gonna do my brows with Anastasia Brow Pro palette. Then I dust the excess powder off with a powder brush. Now I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contouring Palette to contour my face. Next I'm using Dandelion from the Benefit Cheerleader palette to give my face a nice blush. Then I am applying the highlighter from the same palette to highlight the highest points of my face. Now I am highlighting my brow bone with Anastasia Beverly Hills Ambrosia Highlighter. Now I am highlighting my inner corners with the same highlighter. Now my favorite part, I love to use Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb for a sparkly diamond effect. For eyes, I am using the Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. After that, the NYX Epic Ink Liner for a wing liner. Next is Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner Pencil. Then Benefit Mascara. Finally, the Kiko Milano Double Touch Matte Liquid Lipstick. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.